How to send gallery photo as snap. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you ways to send snap from camera roll as a normal snap. So in order to do this procedure, first of all update your application. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update it. After you're done updating your application, after you're logged into your account, swipe towards your left hand side and then open up your chat page. So while you're on this page, let's say that I'm gonna go with the following user in order to send the snap. So let's say that this is the one, and here tap the camera icon located right at the bottom. Right on this page you need to swipe all the way to the corner and go to the explore lenses. Right on this page you need to select upload photo. On the search box you need to type in upload. Here you need to select the filter by tapping on the upload button. After that you'll be able to access all of the images that's on your gallery. Now from here you can select either one of it, and accordingly just tap the button in order to take a snap and click on the button, and here you can see that the following snap has been delivered. So that is how you can send snap from camera roll as a normal snap. And likewise, if you wish to send it to all the people, then you need to go to your camera icon and then you need to go to this filter, that is the upload filter, or you just need to scroll all the way and then go to the explore, and then you need to take a snap. Once you're done taking the snap, tap the send button and accordingly you can go ahead and send it to users. That is how you can send snap from camera roll as a normal snap. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.